Hey everybody, happy early spring. It's March 1st right now. Today in this video, we're gonna be putting down some seed. We gotta get this backyard looking a lot better. And we're also gonna be fertilizing the rest of the lawn. So as we walk around, you'll see all of that. It's early spring. This stuff is finally starting to come up. This guy just put down some sod so it looks nice and green and perfect, but we're gonna take ours up a notch and get it healthy for early spring. Here we go, let's get going. All right, to start off, we're gonna get our rake out. We're gonna do this very manual, just rough up the ground a little bit, scratch it up. All right, y'all, we got it raked in. So I've got this Scott's Patchmaster. It only covers 140 feet, so I can tell I'm gonna have to go back and get some more. It's got the soil and the fertilizer all mixed in one, just Tall Fescue. By the way, we're in North Carolina, that's zone 6 and 7. So if you're in this region, that's what we do. If you're way in Texas and the South, you're probably gonna be doing Bermuda or something. But this is Fescue here, so we're just gonna get this stuff down. There we go, sort of like this. All right, that's what it looks like up close. All right, y'all, this has turned into an experiment now. So this here is a Vigoro grass seed. This one does not have the fertilizer and all that extra stuff in it. So we're gonna plant the other half is gonna be this one. It's a lot cheaper to get this and just spread it out this way, like this. Just a little bit of straw now. All right, y'all, I'm dropping down some Milorganite. It's one of my favorite fertilizers. It's actually left over from last year. Again, early spring, we're gonna get this down. And I'm doing this a low-tech way. We don't have a lot of land. So, boom, hand spreader. All right, last step, y'all. You're gonna need some water. I just got one of these cheap ones for 10 bucks, $10. So Jet's gonna turn the water on any second now. There it is. Ooh, it's raining. All right, another beautiful morning. We are watering again. I'm gonna water for about 15 minutes each day in the early morning. And notice our friendly squirrel is here. His name's Rusty. All right, day 2, we're watering again. There are the seeds. No sprouts yet. We have sprouts, y'all. Here they are. There's one. There's tons of little baby sprouts everywhere. We're gonna have grass. Okay, now this is the middle section that got just the seeds. And I don't know if you can tell, but right here, there's certainly little sprouts. So no matter what seed type you do, you should get them. All right, it is now March 10th, and this is what the yard looks like. So this is a conclusion that we do have seeds everywhere. I feel like, you know, they're thin, and it's gonna take several months for all this to really fill out. Some areas where I put like the Patchmaster very thick, we have good success rates there. But at a full glance, you know, it is turning green, and I do like Patchmaster a lot. I also did some other work up here. I've got some sod that I put in. I cut up sod and put it in here with some mulch. So we're gonna have, you know, all this needs to be filled in with more seeds to kind of really make this backyard come together. Obviously this is a water channel here, so these are the kind of things that you will see. Erosion, right? Look how thick all of those grass seeds, they floated down. And naturally I have an abundance of grass right here. Those are all brand new. That's all 1 month of growth there. But seeds require patience. All right, y'all, and that's all there is to it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Until next time, y'all take care.